Yeah, this is going to be a real simple video. I've got a digital thermometer in here, and it's got a battery for an LR44. And, there's different batteries out there. There are like silver oxide and alkaline batteries. And so this video is probably not going to be watched by anybody at all, but that's okay. It's just, if you happen to have a digital thermometer, and I'm going to put the search on LR44 batteries. So if you have a digital thermometer and it's got an LR44, and you don't have one of those and you don't want to go out and spend a fortune of money on a battery for something like this digital thermometer, probably $4 or $5 in the store, maybe $6, not a lot of money. So you go out and you spend $2, $3 on a battery, that it's going to make it work. And right, you're not going out and buying a new one, but it's a lot of money. And it might even be cheaper at that point just to throw the thing away and buy a new one. Unless you happen to have some, what are these batteries that I have here? A lot of these little batteries are the same dimension, just a little different in thickness, so they're not really the same dimension. I don't know why I said that. So they're kind of the same and they're not the same, but they maybe are and maybe aren't. And so I bought a whole bunch of these batteries online, and I have absolutely no use for any of them. I can't even get them out of the package. So they're the 357A. And a 357A is a cheaper version of the LR44 silver oxide. Now the difference is, this is an alkaline, this is a silver oxide. Silver oxide has a longer life. It will hold its voltage all the way till the end of the battery's life, and then it will die. So if it's a 1.5 volt battery, it will hold 1.5 volts until the battery just dies out right at the end, and then it's gone. With an alkaline battery, they're cheaper, and they don't last as long, and they don't hold their voltage all the way to the end. So it's going to have decreasing voltage until it finally can't run this thing anymore. So something like this, like a digital caliper or a digital thermometer that needs a set voltage to work properly, that's why you go out and you buy the silver oxide batteries, and the alkaline batteries, you just use them for cheapy toys and things. But I'm going to take my chance. I don't know what's going to happen with this video. I don't know if this is going to work or not. Yeah, look at all these batteries that I bought, and I really had no need for it. I just needed one, but the price was so good on the online that I thought, let me go out and get 100 of these things or whatever I bought for the same price, and then I'll never use them, and then I'll put them in a landfill. And so now I'm going to use one of them if I can get it out of the package. I can't really get it out of the package. I don't know if it's going to fit. It should be the same dimension. So I've got this, as I said, this digital thermometer, and it's got, you can see it's all chewed up on the back. This is probably the last time I'll be doing this, because they really don't want you to change the battery, and it's very difficult to take these things off. And once you loosen them, they still don't want to come off. So that's the whole trick of forcing you to buy something new. So you got to go in here, and you don't want to put a screwdriver in your hand, because then you'll be in the ER, and then all the money that you save doing this will go towards expensive medical costs. So yeah, it doesn't even want to come out now. Hey, if my videos help you at all, thumbs up, subscribe, like I say in all my videos. If you want to leave a donation, ask for my PayPal info. If you want to link this to any website, battery website, or just how-to website, that would be cool. If you have a product you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I will. See, what they should have done is put a little indent in there so you could go in there with a screwdriver and pop this thing out. They don't want to do that. Oh, there it goes. Okay. They don't want to do that because they don't want you to change the battery. Okay, so I'm going to keep this in the same position so that it goes back in the same way. It probably will only go in one way. So we can see over there, I think the video will show that's an LR44. And yeah, I opened it up a week ago to see if I had a battery like this, and I didn't. So look over there. See all the acid leaking out? All those white little speckles over there? That's the battery leaking. You really don't want to put that on your hand, so like I'm doing. Don't do what I'm doing. Don't get the battery acid on your hand. So I'm going to put in this 357, which looks just like the battery. I don't know if it's going to work. I could check it out right now. There's really no metal on here, so it doesn't really need to make contact with anything. So I'm going to turn it over, and I'm going to press. Oh, great. We don't have any... Oh! There's some battery corrosion. There's some battery acid on the edges, but it should work. Let me press on there again and see if it's going to work. There we go. So I just saved myself $6 by using these batteries that I never should have bought in the first place. Which way did I have it? Did I have it this way? I think I had it this way. So we'll put this cover back in. And I already went out and bought a new digital thermometer for my mom. So I'm going to do a review on that next. Let's pop the sucker in here. So this is just a way to to get by on the cheap. If you ever have a battery and you don't want to go out and spend full money, go see if you can buy the alkaline batteries instead of the silver oxide. So we've got 80F. That's nice. Let me turn it off. Okay, so it works. I saved some money, and maybe this will help you out. And if not, then still do a thumbs up and subscribe, because that is what I live for. 80 degrees in the room. That's about right, y'all. The thermometers are saying it's about 78, 79. I live in California. We need it to be hot at night. Hey, Happy New Year to everybody. Thanks for watching all my videos. Peace out.